Meeting एक आशिल्लेली. So what is the viewpoint that you have put forth before the committee now?
No, आमचे it is collective efforts आमचे सगळ्याचे. What is the main motto? की we have to protect mother from getting diverted. So what WRD department आमचो study आसा that work is stopped, there is no diversion. कितें पेपरार येता कितें येता it is up to the papers what they report and whatever. But actual ground fact is the department had visited the site and there is no new work happening or no new diversion happening anywhere. So कितें plan केला की we will be visiting, the house committee will be visiting the site very soon, all of us, just for our peace of mind to see that actually work has stopped and the diversion is not happening.
म्हणजे जवळजवळ वर्सभर मिटिंगूय जावंक नासली सो नाव आता फुडें कशें
जावना, there were various reasons, but आता ठरयला honorable minister has said that every quarter we are going to be meeting, the house committee will be meeting to decide on this.
No, but don't you feel that there has
And-
been
and
a
we
delay
have,
somewhere at least?
Of course, there has been a delay, and the thing is that Supreme Court has heard the matter at least 3 times now this year. And the lawyers have been told, who were present today, that the matter has to be expedited at the Supreme Court level because it is sub judice. So आम्ही कांयच म्हणपाक शकना. So till Supreme Court, because even the tribunal has said that Supreme Court have order दिवनी, then you come to us.
Madam, but whatever was said and done, whatever the papers might be reporting or media, who has to inform this? No, is it not the government who has to tell the people what exactly is going on? बाबा झाला हो जाऊना
So आज committee झाली न्ही. Now honorable minister, now you like I just left early because I have a doctor's appointment. But the thing is that the minister is going to brief all of you because he is the main person to actually brief you because he is the concerned minister. So I think actually whatever the details are, he will brief you. आणि जे कितें publicak सांगपा जाय, he is the best person to tell the public what the actual facts are.
Thanks.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.